Hello and welcome to the cryptocurrency news channel. I want to talk about two coins that could either be gems or scams depending on how you look at them. We're going to talk about Refinable and NFT art finance. I want to talk about Refinable first because many people have actually labeled it a scam because of the whole debut day fiasco. It was promised to launch at like 3 cents or something. It actually launched at like $4 or $9. A lot of people were trying to buy 12,000 coins, but got like 40 coins. So obviously that's very, very, very bad. And then the price obviously went down. There was a promoter, I think his name was like Mr. Beast or something. And many people have accused him of being on a scam. I do not have any Refinable myself. I'm not really involved in this project in any way. A couple of people have actually asked me about it, and a few people have said it was actually a scam. But at this point, it's supposed to be NFT on Binance. And we know that NFT transaction costs on Ethereum are pretty big, and people are looking for other options. So if it was only like a launch day fiasco, and they actually have a project that's really that's ready to launch on BNB, on the BSC blockchain, when the NFT stuff comes out, then it could take another surge. Even if it is a scam right now, the price is pretty low. If you buy like $100, but do not buy a lot of Refinable at this point, because we don't know if it's a scam or not. But like if you throw like $100, $200 at it, they might actually pump it again, and then you would sell on the price spike. So there's two opportunities in this. One, it's not a scam. And eventually, like they'll launch the NFT on the platform on BSC, and things will actually go up, FOMO and all that stuff. And two, it is a scam, but they might actually pump it again. So based on those, there's two chances to make money. Obviously, there's chances to lose a lot of money. I would definitely not buy a lot of this, but it might be taking maybe a $100, $200 swab at, basically. Small investment, very, very high risk, but massive rewards. I won't be buying either of these coins because they're both extremely high risk, but could be quite high rewards. The other one is NFT art finance. Now, when I looked at Refinable, a lot of people were like, forget Refinable, go to NFT art finance. I don't really know if these people are serious or not, because it almost looks like they're almost going from like one scheme to something else that might be another scheme. This coin has something like 10 quadrillion coins. And there's so many zeros in this price that it's just too small. But people are hyped up about it. They like these like really, really small coins. It's on Dodo, BSC, and PancakeSwap, and the symbol is NFT art. Now, you know me, I don't really buy things that have 10 quadrillion supply. I mean, I bought Kin, and that had 10 trillion, which is 1,000 times less, and I thought that was too much. I just bought it on a whim, $100 on a whim. I'm not like putting my money in this, but remember Shiba Inu, it actually went up a lot in value. So you invest $100 in this, maybe you can get $5,000 out of it. That's what I would think. Definitely wouldn't invest too much in this, too risky, but there is definitely a chance to make some profit on the swaps. So that's the other one. People do seem to be hyping this up a bit, and we know that these like small coins, if people hype them up, they can go to like 50, 100x, and even if it went to 100x, there'd still be 5 zeros in front of the 1 on the decimal point. So it doesn't have to be a lot of money. We don't really know how much is out in circulation. And a lot of these coins are just like, giant black boxes, sort of. But giant black boxes sometimes make good profits. Now, like I said, invest 100, hope to get 5,000 out. Don't invest like $10,000 and hope to get $1 million out. That's just not smart on these coins. It might happen, but then you also might lose $10,000. And I think the chance of losing $10,000 is a lot greater than the chance of actually making anything. So check these two out. Refinable and NFT finance. Refinable has already been deemed a scam by many, but it might actually repump, or if they actually have a project, it might just go up in the future. NFT art finance, a huge supply, very, very new project. It did actually have like a spike, and then it came down, but not to its original price. And plus, the price is really low right now, so if it has another spike, you can get like a decent amount of income off of it. Once again, please do not invest a lot of money in these projects. They are extremely high risk and high reward. Not something you want to gamble a lot of money on, but take a look at it. Maybe you can turn $100 into like a couple thousand, so you can invest in other projects. And if you lose $100, well, it's only $100. So that is the news for today. And plus, I don't have either of these tokens. That is the news for today. Let me know what you think. Like, subscribe, and hit that bell notifications button. Thank you, and have a nice day.